How to link your Minipay account to your Opera News app. That is the what I want to explain in this video. For some people find it difficult to link their Opera News accounts with their Minipay account, and if you've not been able to create your Minipay account, I'll link the video that I did, the description of this video. So the first thing for you to do is to go to your Opera News app where you used to write your article. You click on it, you see the normal welcome interface. You click on this me at this bottom, me at this bottom right. It will take you to this your interface. Then you now click on this icon showing, indicating where you want to write. Click on that. Then you click on article. Now this is the normal process we follow if we want to publish an article on the Opera News app. Click on article. After clicking on article, it will bring this interface. You have to have this interface where you create library, monetize for the writers and authors. The next thing for you to click is this, your author, your picture. See, it's not allowing me a light. You look at the top, your profile picture. Let me see if I can highlight it. At the top right, your profile picture. That is where you click to take you now to your main page. You scroll down, you see Minipay accounts. You click on it and you update your details and save. It's that simple to link your Minipay account with your Opera News account. So I hope you are able to follow through. If you have a problem or you still have questions, you may want to just comment below and I will reach out to you. Like the video, share with others, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this.